You are now looking at the site udemy.com. Udemy is a course where you can create new courses for individuals that want to learn different subjects, and it's a different platform. So you're not in the Warrior Forum, you're not on JVZoo, traditional internet marketing platforms, even if you're teaching internet marketing. This is an entirely different marketplace. In some cases, people are learning these things for entirely free. In some cases, people are actually charging. But when you get people that are taking your courses, you are actually getting them into your marketing funnel. You're going to be able to get them onto your list and get them back to your website. So it's a great way of being able to expose people to what it is that you do, and to expose them to new information that maybe they would not have ever found a place like the Warrior Forum. Maybe they would not have run into traditional internet marketers, but you will have contacted them, you will have interrupted them on the way to trying to get some new information. So Udemy is a place where you can take your content, you can repurpose it, place it in this medium, and have people actually buy it. So if you are looking for ways to get to new audiences, this is a great way of being able to do that. It doesn't cost you anything to put a course on Udemy. All you're going to have to do is just sign up as an instructor and place your course in a location. You don't have to charge anything for your course. As a matter of fact, if you want to make your course free, that could be a way that you can draw students in that would not have known you otherwise, or that do not have prior exposure to you. But once they understand what it is that you know, they'll then have the opportunity, they'll then want to come to get onto your email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks. I will see you in another video.